The International Programs and Services Office has a number of different programs and services helping students to internationalize their MBA program.
I had a terrific opportunity this summer to work in London, England with the Royal Bank of Canada. Rotman helped me through the Career Centre get this job, secure my internship, and meet a number of great alumni working in London. These are the sorts of international opportunities that Rotman affords.
Coming from Mexico, I was looking for an international MBA, and Rotman School has helped me to pursue my international and professional objectives. For example, one of the opportunities was to do my summer internship with Infosys right in India.
We have a number of study tours to places like China, India, the Middle East, and Latin America. And of course, our international consulting projects where we partner with external organizations from around the world.
Rotman is a Canadian business school, but I think it's an international brand. The fact that our students come from all parts of the world, I think is a great starting point for the fact that we have an international presence. These students go back, they talk about Rotman, they invite faculty over to do research, and a large number of faculty are actually involved in doing research all over the globe.
I've come to Rotman from New York City,
Spain,
Chicago,
Kingston, Jamaica,
Vancouver, BC,
Taiwan,
Punjab,
Calgary, Alberta, Shanghai, China,
Dubai,
Toronto.
The International Exchange Program is a 4-month program where students have the opportunity to study at one of our 24 partner schools from around the world. They have the chance to study at places like the London Business School, CEIBS in Shanghai, China, University of Cape Town in Cape Town, South Africa, and many other destinations around the world.
I end up doing my summer internship actually in Afghanistan with Roshan Telecom, where I was based in Kabul. And for full-time, I'm going to be joining Booz & Company based out of their Dubai office.
I've done the China Studies Fair, and that was just an amazing experience meeting up with all these high-powered players in Hong Kong, in Shanghai, and Beijing.
I came to Rotman because it's a great place to start your global career.